What is happening? I am Nick. This is my first real YouTube video. I am gonna do a little intro here, a little background, so the next couple of videos make sense here. But I'm in the aviation industry for work, and I've been building stuff my whole life, and I need a shop. We just got the news a couple of months ago that my wife is pregnant with our first kid, and we needed to move from Wisconsin back to Pennsylvania to be around family, and we've got this nice, beautiful new house with a garage that needs to be finished. Out in Wisconsin, I've got an airplane project that I've been building for a couple of years, a little Pitts S1 biplane, and I really want to get it back here to Pennsylvania to get it finished, and I need a workshop to do it. So this is my little journey documenting kind of what I've been doing. I've been watching YouTube for years and learning stuff and some different ideas here and there on how guys built their shops that have been awesome. And so I want to do the same, document my progress and see if anybody might find something they can use down the road, or if we can get some good sharp eyes on this. Maybe I made some mistakes along the way and somebody can help me churn a better product out. So this is my foray into building my ultimate garage workshop slash airplane factory. All right, hope you enjoy. All right, so we got our standard 2-car garage, 24 by 24 on the outside, 23 and a half ish by 23 and a half on the inside. Pretty dark and dim over there. Holes in the drywall. We got some cracks up there, and we've got 3 lights right now. Garage door's old and broken. And some wood reinforcements and stuff. We've got a lot of work to do. But here's the before. All right, so that's the before of the garage. We just moved in at this point, and you can see there's crap everywhere, which it drives me insane. But we got to, we got to clean things up a little bit and move stuff. We're still moving in, but anyhow, so that's like kind of the general layout of the garage. You can see it's pretty basic. I think a lot of people probably have something pretty similar. So I think a lot of the stuff I'm going to be doing here is something that anybody, could do to theirs and end up with a really nice garage. So. But some of the things I want to do to this over the next couple of months, because I'm only in my spare time here getting to work on this, but I'm going to cover recessed lighting. I'm going to do drywall touch-up and paint in the place. I'm going to do a French cleat wall. I did one at my old house, my first garage that I ever had that was mine, and I'm doing it a little different this time, version 2.0, so hopefully that'll be a little bit better. I've seen on YouTube a lot of these guys doing the compressed air dryers for, after the compressor you got the copper tubes or the cooler on the compressor to help keep moisture out of the lines, so I want to do one of those. I thought that was really cool. I'm going to be wiring this place up for regular outlets, regular lights, but also 220. I've got a radial arm saw, I've got a lathe, and I've got my TIG welder that all need 220, and the TIG welder is going to be like on 50 amps, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a sub panel in the garage, so kind of get to mess with all that, which will be cool. I want to do an epoxy floor eventually, insulate the whole place, maybe do a heater, some nice shelving. Space is limited. I might like to do like maybe a lift that goes up into the, hidden up into the attic of the garage. So lots of cool stuff that I really, dream list want to do, and this is what it's supposed to be. It's my dream garage slash airplane factory. So this is where we're starting. And to finish up, here's a couple of pictures of the Pitts project I'm building, and it'll be coming back home to Pennsylvania once we get this workshop all built. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.